giggle and grow.
Tody, can you find the letter A and show us what it's for?
A is for apple.
Max, it's your turn to find it.
B is for ball.
Mia, please find the card and match it.
C is for cat.
Leo, can you show us D?
D is for dog.
Whoa! Great job, Leo! Now for the letter E. Miko.
E is for elephant.
Back to the beginning of the alphabet line. Tody, find F.
F is for fish.
Who has the letter G? That would be
Max. G is for grapes.
perfect, Max. Mia, can you help us find the letter H?
H is for hat.
Leo, you know what comes after H? Letter I.
I is for igloo.
Fantastic, Leo. Miko, jump up and show us J.
J is for jellyfish.
Super, Miko.
Tody, you're up for the letter K. K is for kite.
Nice finding, Tody. Max, let's find the letter L.
L is for lion.
Awesome, Max. Mia, can you help us find M?
M is for moon.
Hey, kids! Let's do the ABC song before we continue. Let's go!
A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, A, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Great job! Let's sit and continue. Leo, it's your turn for the letter N. N is for nest. O is for octopus. Super, Miko! Tody, can you find the letter P?
P is for pig.
Max, it's time for the letter Q!
Q is for queen.
Wonderful, Max! Mia, let's find the letter R.
R is for ring.
Beautifully done, Mia! Leo, you get the letter S. S is for sun.
Miko, where are you? Find the letter T.
T is for train.
Great job, Miko! Tody, find the letter U.
U is for umbrella.
Super, Tody! Max, let's find V.
Max, let's find V. V is for van.
Excellent, Max. Mia, time for W.
W is for watermelon.
X is for xylophone.
Amazing, Leo! Only 2 left. Miko, find the letter Y. Y is for yard.
The last one. Tody, can you finish our quest with Z?
Z is for zebra.
We did it! A to Z! You are all alphabet champions!
Guys, please subscribe for our next video. Bye-bye!